Hello everyone. In this session, I will be solving 5 or 6 more multiple choice questions with you on cash management. Now, in this session, I will be choosing only questions based on numbers so that your concept, of course, it is very important and it is also discussed, but I will be also today I'll be solving more on the numerical side. Question number 7. An entity has received proposals from several banks to establish a lockbox system. Again, as I discussed with you, lockbox system is another very common way of speeding up cash receipts. So an entity has received proposals from several banks to establish a lockbox system to speed up receipts. Entity receives an average of 700 checks per day, averaging $1,800 each. And its cost of short-term funds is 7% per year. Assuming that all proposals will produce equivalent processing results, mean all proposals will give the same results, and using a 360-day year, which one of the following is optimal for the entity? Now here the question is a little tricky. See, in this question they are telling that entity has received proposals from lot of banks to establish a lockbox system so that you can speed up your cash receipts. On an average, they receive 700 checks per day, 700. And each check is on an average $1,800 each. Cost of short-term funds, 7% per year. Assuming that all proposals will produce equivalent processing results, that mean all of A, B, C or D, different banks maybe, they will give same processing results. Means if A is reducing the collection time by 2 days, B also same, C also same, D also same. So that is the first assumption. They are telling that everybody is giving you same amount of benefit only. They will reduce by same amount of days. And using a 360-day year, which one of the following is optimal for the entity? Now understand this. If everyone is giving me the same amount of benefit, then I have to look where the cost is lower. Because if the benefit is same, wherever the cost is lower, that I will select. So option A says flat fee of $1,25,000 per year. First of all, let me see. So number of checks each day, that is 700, and average amount per check, 1,800. Now understand this. This is constant, the benefit will be constant. So I will go by wherever the fee is lowest. A says flat fee of $1,25,000 per year. So A, option A, the cost is given flat $1,25,000. In option B, I will maintain a compensating balance of $1,750,000. As we were discussing in the previous session also, and where I introduced, compensating balance is generally minimum balance that you keep in a bank account for the services rendered by bank. Generally, it is also with a loan account you have to maintain. Generally, they yield no interest. Generally. So this much amount, if I maintain, my cost of funds is 7%. So I will not be able to earn 7%. So 17 lakh 50 will be blocked. Opportunity cost of this will be 17 lakh 50. I could have earned 7% of this. That is also a cost only, na? 1 lakh or $122,500. So see, option A is asking flat fee, $1,25,000. Option B, they are telling maintain a compensating balance with us of $17,50,000. Now, if I maintain a compensating balance with them, I will not be able to earn interest on that amount. So cost will be 7% of that. Since my cost of short-term funds is 7%. So that is 1,22,500. C, a fee of 0.03% of amount collected. Now in this situation, my total amount collected, this will be 700 into 1800. This is per day. They have given in the question using a 360-day year. That means we are not to use 365-day, but we are going to use 360-day year. So for 360-day, this will be collected total. And I will pay 0.03% of this amount. This is the cost. $1,36,000. So understand, every day I am collecting 700 checks. Value of each checks is almost 1800. So every day collection is 1800 into 700. Multiply that with the number of days in the year in the question that they have said 360. And multiply that with the fees. It is coming to $1,36,000. Now this is also more. So till now, A, flat fee 1,25,000, B, compensating balance I will maintain. So 7% I will lose on that, 1,22,500. C, 1,36,000. Now what is the cost of D? 0.50 per check. So every day there is 700 checks. I will get 0.50 of each check, and total 360 days in the year. So every day there is 700 checks. I will get 50 cents of each check, and 360 days in the year. That also comes to exactly $1,26,000. So which is most beneficial for the company? Option B. There is the lowest amount of money that I am spending. So always remember, reading a question is very important. See, they are telling multiplying 700 checks times this many years accordingly. 0.50 per check, that is option D, 1,26,000. That is what we computed, 1,26,000, option D. Then they are telling this is less desirable than a 1,25,000. Of course, A is less than D. Given that annual collection is this much, a fee of 0.03% will be 1,36,80%. 1,36,080. 1,36,000 what we got. Of course, this is also more expensive. Compensating balance cost is only 1,22,500. So we should go with compensating balance. A retail mail order firm currently uses a central collection system that requires all checks to be sent to its headquarters. So there is a retail mail order firm. They currently use a central collection system, means all the checks are directly sent to the headquarters. An average of 6 days is required for mail checks to be received. So average 6 days required for mail checks to be received. 3 days to process them and 2 days for the checks to clear through its bank. So it takes on a total of 11 days. 11 days. A proposed lockbox system would reduce the mailing and processing time to 2 days. So mail and process 6 plus 3, that will be reduced to 2 days, and check clearing time to 1 day. So total it will become 2 plus 1, 3 days. My average 8 days. 8 days will be saved. So how much my average cash balance will increase by? So they are telling there is a retail order company. They currently use a central collection system. All checks should be sent to the headquarters. There only it will be done. Average of 6 days is required for mail checks to be received. 6 days it takes for checks to be received by the headquarter. 3 days then it takes for processing them. 6 plus 3, 9. And 2 days then it takes to clear through bank. So total 6 plus 3 plus 2, 9. Sorry, 11. A proposed lockbox system would reduce the mailing and processing time to 2 days. Now they are not telling 2 days each in the question. They are not telling that mailing days will become two, and from six it will become two, and processing will from three it will become two. No, it is telling mailing and processing time total, which is currently taking 6 plus 3, 9. It will become 2 days. So I will save 7 days, and check clearing time will become 1 day. So that means the work that was getting in 11 days, now it will be done in 3 days. What is my daily collection? 1 lakh 50. So how much will my cash balance increase by? So total time saved. 8 days. Earlier it was 11, now it is 3. And daily collection is 1 lakh 50,000. So how much will my cash balance increase by? My total cash balance increase throughout the year will be 1 lakh 50 into 8, that is 12 lakh dollars or $1.2 million. Understand, these are very, very basic questions. There is nothing in entire working capital management. If you can understand the question, job is more than 70% done. A firm has daily cash receipts of 2 lakh dollars. A commercial bank has offered to reduce the collection time by 3 days. So firm has daily cash receipts. How much? 2 lakh dollars. And a bank has offered to reduce the collection time by 3 days. Bank requires a monthly fee for providing this service, $4,000. If money market rate is 12%, what is the average cost or income of providing this service? So some basic facts in the question. My daily cash collection is 2 lakh dollars. And A bank has offered to reduce the collection time by 3 days. So decrease in float, 3 days. This will result in my average cash balance to increase by 2 lakh into 3, that is 6 lakh. My cash balance will increase by 6 lakh since my daily collection is $2 lakh, and they are proposing to reduce the receivable float by 3 days. 2 lakh into 3, 6 lakh. I can earn 12% on this. So my benefit or my annual benefit will be 6 lakh into 12%. Money market rates will average 12%, means I can earn 12% on this. So what is my total benefit? $72,000. And what is the bank asking? Monthly fees, $4,000. So annual fees that will be charged by the bank, 4,000 into 12, that is $48,000. So of course net my income will increase only, net benefit. So it is $72,000 my income minus $48,000 my expense. So my income will go up by $24,000. These are very basic questions, as I keep on repeating. If you understand the concept, your question will not go wrong. A firm has daily cash receipts. This is same question only. I'm looking for a little better question. Same. Looks a little better. A firm has daily cash receipts of $3 lakh and is interested in acquiring a lockbox system to reduce collection time. Bank 1's lockbox system will cost 3,000 per month and will reduce collection time by 3 days. Bank 2's lockbox system will cost 5,000 per month and will reduce collection time by 4 days. Bank 3's lockbox system will cost 500 per month and will reduce collection time by 1 day only. Okay. Bank 4 lockbox service will cost $1,000 per month and will reduce collection time by 2 days. If money market rates are expected to average 6%, which bank should the firm choose? I will choose the firm where my net benefit is maximum. Now, these kind of questions are again not very uncommon in the exam. That they have given daily cash receipt is $3 lakh, and then they are telling you that we are looking to reduce our collection float, and they have given different things. For example, where will we go? Wherever the benefit is highest. So first let's look at bank 1. What is bank 1? Bank 1 lockbox service cost will be 3,000 and will reduce collection time by 3 days. Okay. So my daily collection, now I will have to solve it a little quickly. So I will directly go with cash balance increase. In this case, my daily cash collection is 3 lakh. And I will have 3 days saved. So my total cash balance during the year will increase by $9 lakh. What is the cost? Money market rate 6%. So my total benefit I will make on this 9 lakh annual benefit is 9 lakh into 6%. That is $54,000. And what is the annual cost of this service? They are asking 3,000 per month. So for the entire year, 3,000 into 12, 36. So net benefit of providing this service is 54 minus 36, that is 18,000. Bank 1, this is what bank 1 is going to give me, 18,000. Bank 2, lockbox service cost 5,000 and collection time will reduce by 4 days. Let's evaluate bank 2 as well. So again, increase in cash balance. My daily cash receipts are 3 lakh, first line of the question. And bank 2 will reduce collection time by 4 days. So my cash balance will increase by 1.2 million or 12 lakh dollars. And my annual benefit will be 6% of this amount. That is 72,000. This is how much I will have benefits. What is my annual cost? They will charge me 5,000 per month. So for 12 months, they will charge me 60,000. So what is my net benefit? 72 minus 60. I will make only 12,000 net benefit. This is less than what I was making in A, right? In bank 1, even though it was $54,000 only in savings, but cost was also low, 36. Bank 2 saving has increased to 72, but cost has increased to 60. So my net savings has actually declined to only 12,000. Of course, bank 1 is more preferable to bank 2. Bank 3, lockbox will cost me 500, but collection time will reduce by only 1 day. Let's see what is bank 3 offering me. Bank 3. So increase in cash balance. My daily cash balance is 3 lakh. It will reduce by 1 day. So it will increase by 3 lakh into 1. I am earning 6% on this. So my annual benefit is 3 lakh into 6%, 18,000. And my annual cost, the bank is only charging me 500 per month. So 12 months, 6,000. Again, my net benefit is only 12,000. So if I see in 1 it was 18, in 2 it is 12, and in 3 also it's 12. 4. What is bank 4 offering me? Lockbox will cost 1,000 per month and will reduce the collection time by 2 days. This, okay. So lockbox will cost 1,000, but my collection will reduce by 2 days. Let's see. Bank 4. Increase in cash balance. 3 lakh is my daily cash receipts. By 2 days, it will increase. So my average increasing cash balance throughout the year will be $6 lakh. My annual benefit, I will make 6% on this, right? That is 36,000. And they are charging me 1,000 per month. So my cost will be $12,000. My net benefit, 36 minus 12, 24. Now remember that I will go with wherever my benefit is highest. So bank D, my benefit will be 24. With bank 3, my benefit will be 12. So of course, bank 4 is more preferable. Bank 2 also it's 12. Bank 1 it's only 18. So I'm making most with bank 4, 24,000. I will go with bank 4 only. So please, as I keep on telling, if you want to do well in your exams, focus on concepts and then practice those concepts multiple times in MCQs. So that's it for this session. If you are looking for any CMA classes, you can reach out to me either on LinkedIn or my cell phone. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.